Hi everybody and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you decide if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now we film live here with no edits. I prepare and do as much as I can ahead of time because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too so that we can be in the know together. So if you enjoy informative videos, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. It is free and it is easy. You see the subscribe button right underneath this video, you press it and you are in. It really is that simple. There's also a new video notification bell right beside it. If you ring that, you should be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Some days I have multiple videos, other days I don't have any. Whenever the news comes down that I want to be able to share with you without editing, I get it up as quickly as possible. So that bell helps out a lot, that you know that I have a new video coming along. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. It helps the video to grow, and also it helps others hopefully find this channel who have not had the opportunity yet to see Truewants. So I thank everybody that as soon as you arrive, you hit that thumbs up, so thank you. But if you're looking just for a quick update, head over to my Instagram. My name there is Truewants with the number 2. The link for that and any other links or discount codes that I have are always found in the description box right underneath this video. But the best takeaway about this channel is that we solely talk here about the brands, the products, of course the deals, with spoilers on subscription boxes too. And I always look forward to seeing you in the comments because that's your voice, and I do my best to respond to all. As always, I appreciate when you can watch in full, and if you would like to contribute to the channel, there's always the thanks button that you see right underneath this video. And this is always a fun video to do because at one point, IPSY then officially releases all the potential products that could have been in our glam bag or our Boxycharm. Now we've already done our choices, we've already hopefully made our add-ons, and all of that has been taken care of because we took care of learning about all the spoilers and prepared for the first. So we now have our glam bag revealed, and we have all the add-ons revealed, as well as the Boxycharm. We got to be able to make our choices as well. All right, so let's get started here because I'm also waiting on my PR. I don't know what's going to go up first. If my PR arrives, this video will get bumped and we'll put it up a little bit later. But I want to make sure that I get this video done because this is fresh when I have all of the brands in my mind, because we just finished doing all of the work in reference to our choices and our add-ons. So starting with the glam bag, I was so excited that I got Shiseido picked for me, and based on my knowledge of the brand, which is such a luxury brand, and only having the opportunity to try a couple of products from this brand, so many of you shared with me in previous comments that this is also one that you splurge on. So I'm very excited that I'll have the opportunity to play with this one. This is going to be an eye cream from the brand Shiseido. Now Fenty Beauty, this is what was my choice item. I am excited about this. This is the semi-matte lipstick in MVP. Tarte, I shared with you, this is how I got introduced to Tarte. This is their Lace Camera Lashes. It's a 4-in-1 mascara, and as I share with you all the time, if you didn't get this in your box, which I didn't this time, this is something that I would normally pick up in the add-ons in the 350 section because the brush and the formula is the same as in the full size, and you cannot get a sample size mascara or a travel size mascara for $3.50. I know because I used to buy minis from Sephora and those were around $10. So this is always exciting when I see mascaras to have the opportunity to try a luxury brand mascara in the add-ons. Next is Keys. This is also a brand that I got very lucky. There used to be a box that was a takeover box, and it became a monthly box, and then it kind of disappeared, like so many boxes that I was enjoying. But this is a brand that I really had the opportunity, not only through IPSY, but through other boxes, to be able to try their products, and I really enjoy them. And this is the Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream, and I think this is in one of my glam bags. I know they also chose for me the Tatcha, which I'm really excited about as well. This is the Rice Wash. Toy Factory, this was chosen for me as well, but I do already have this in the full size. This is the Oat Bay Oil Makeup Remover. I shared with you that don't worry with the word oil in here. It really is more like a milky consistency, and as a combo girl, I'm always concerned when I hear the word oil, and that's why I want to make sure to share with you that you don't have to be concerned. It truly is more like a milky consistency. Beauty Stat is another one that I have this in the full size, and one that I would highly recommend recommend. So if you saw this in the 350 section, I hope you took advantage, because when I did my choice video, I share with you my 2 paid for choice boxes and my reveal of my glam bags. And then when we go through the add-ons, I share with you mini reviews on a lot of the products that I've had the opportunity to play with and use. This is the Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer. Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, another one that I was so excited when we did the spoilers. This is their face base. This is their #1 product as far as I'm concerned. It's how I got introduced to Bobbi Brown, and I never looked back. So if you haven't had the opportunity to try that, I really hope that you pick that up. Then we got Thread Beauty. This was one of my choices. They chose a shade for me. And when I went into the add-ons, I was hoping to look for, because in my add-ons, I had shade number 10, and then the next one up was 40, and they chose for me 30. And just based on the swatch, it looked a little dark, so I was hoping in the 350 section to possibly pick it up in 20, but it wasn't an option for me. This is the Face It Multi-Use Complexion Stick by this brand called Thread Beauty. Moon Slice was chosen for me, and it was chosen for me in the shade that's called Gorgeous. So this was very tempting to pick it up in the 350 section, if the color Beautiful, but I think I would have, if it was reversed, if they would have chose Beautiful for me, I would have definitely chose Gorgeous. But Gorgeous, based on the description, it said it's a pinky coral. To me, that's like the Luminoso or the NARS Orgasm, so I'm gonna definitely stick with the one that they gave me. Pacifica Beauty, I have the Cherry Gold. This is one that I shared. I have so many of these that I picked up early on with IPSY, when I started with IPSY. And when my box comes, either the PR or the whichever comes first, I will definitely swatch all the ones I have from my stash, because these are home runs, especially the ones that have ones that are bronzers and blushes. I have some that are blushes and highlighters. I will share them all with you. And I'm so happy that these are now back here at IPSY, because this is an absolute steal. This is full size. The back of it is a mirror, and the actual quality of the product is really, really good. And this is from Pacifica Beauty, and it looked like we had a couple of color options. The Firelit, we knew that was going to be an option because that was in our spoilers, but this Cherry Gold was an absolute surprise. But I already have both of those and 3 others. Like I said, I will definitely swatch those for you. The Dew of the Gods I did not see in my add-ons or in the in any of my choices, and this is definitely a home run. This I have in the full size. I shared this with you. I was very lucky. I got some PR from Dew of the Gods in reference to all of their lip products, and I definitely shared those with you on the channel already, and those I definitely would have chosen that as well. Now we're going to get into the Boxycharm spoilers. So remember, these are all the potential products that we could have gotten in our boxes. Then we have from Dr. Brand Skincare the Dr. B Lab Oil to Foam Cleanser. This I've had in the past. This was also one of my options. Kevyn Aucoin, I was so excited. I ended up picking up 2 Kevyn Aucoin products as my choices. The Unforgettable Lipstick Cream I picked up, as well as one of the lip definers. I could not believe Kevyn Aucoin is here and in our boxes. This is a brand that has always been on my radar and on my wants list. It was just at a price point that I was never comfortable spending, but now that it's a choice item, it was a no-brainer for me. So in one of my boxes, I'm getting the liner as well as one of these cream lipsticks. I had 2 options and I took them both. Then there's Penrose, which is a rollerball perfume. Ciate London, they ended up choosing for me as one of my power picks, but if I'm not sure about the shades or anything, so to me, I'm going to wait until I get that one and see how I feel about the product. Then we see here that there's some more colors for Kevyn Aucoin. Tula Skincare, this was another one that I was very excited about. This is the 24/7 Ultra Hydration Triple Hydra. Another shade, for another scent from Primrose. Kimchi, this was also really exciting to see. There were 3 shades available. They chose lavender for me, so I ended up picking that because I already had the translucent. If I didn't, 100% I would have chosen the translucent, as well as it was available in the add-ons as well. So this is a really good powder. If you're like me in combo and you like to bake, phenomenal. African Botanicals, I'm happy to have seen this because this is something I'm currently using and I'm really enjoying it a lot. This is a mineral cleansing mask. Some more shades from Ciate London. Living Proof, this was tough for me because I was going to get this. I was going to switch up one of the Murad beauty a boost. In one of my boxes for sure, I chose that because it was an over $105 Murad product, and I love his products. But I was going to choose in my second box. I think this was an option for me, or it was in one of my choices. I can't remember. But all I know is that when I read it, it said it was for thin hair that was going to thicken, and I don't need my hair to be any thicker, so this wasn't a win for me. But I do remember using a product similar to this from the Living Proof line. But like I mentioned, the Living Proof line right now, they have in the shop a full capsule, and I did a whole video on it because I could not believe there were 6 full-size products of Living Proof that were only $69 for all 6 of them. It is an unbelievable steal. If I didn't have them in my already under my sink with all my other shampoos, conditioners, hairsprays, treatments, I definitely would have picked it up. It's like I'm almost mad that I have things because the deals are so good. It's so hard to resist. Lunar Beauty, the Moonshroom, this was exciting. This is the highlighter palette. It's the newest one out of his latest group of products that he came out with. They were all called Moonshroom. Very exciting that this is here at IPSY. Seraphine Botanicals, this we saw that in the add-ons. They had it in a couple of shades. And then Ciate London, this is one that I have in my stash and I do enjoy it, but I did not see it again. This is the Watermelon Burst 2-in-1. It's really, really nice. Very conditioning, hydrating lip product. So exciting about the Tarte that there's pink and there was peach. They also had the Makeup Forever. I chose that for myself. The hydrating setting spray. I was over the moon that we're seeing Makeup Forever so much now. In Beauty, another brand that I'm really enjoying. This one's in my shower. K. Voss NYC. This is another one that I did not see, but I do use their products. They're in my stash and I do use them and reach for them. Here's the other one of the Kimchi. Then Ciate London, some more of those. Dalish, I did not see this at all, and I don't know much about this brand. This is a lip scrub, so if you know anything about it, it says it's a clean beauty brand. Please make sure to share that in the comments down below. The Tula Skincare, I did not see it this time, but we did pick it up here on the channel. I got it in 2 shades. I have it in my stash area. I only put it on once. I'm going to have to go back and revisit it. When you have so many products and so many products to try, right now today I'm trying a new tier foundation, so there's like so many products that I cannot wait to like get up in the morning and play with. It just, everything just goes almost, I should put like a board and then just shoot a dart so I would just not have to make the decisions on what to try today. Now I have this YC collection, Oh My Eyebrows. I have not tried that, but the Clara's New York was a power pick that was chosen for me, so I'm excited to have the opportunity to try because I do like vitamin C serums. Then Innisfree is another brand that I'm really enjoying. I have from last month. It's the next one that I'm going to be trying. It's a cream that I got from them. This I think was also available last month. I did not see it around this time. This is the Lithi Lashes. It's a brow sculpt, and I know it comes with a little brush as well. Then Tula, we see that it's available in a couple of shades as the YC collection. Then Rose Quartz, this is a hair mask and Roz and Quartz, I should say, and so many of you have shared with me how much you're enjoying this brand. Galactic, this was chosen for me, but we had no spoilers on this. The only thing I'm a little nervous is it's saying it is a rose petal. I'm hoping that the scent will be okay because certain rose scents, if they're too synthetic, it ends up triggering a migraine for me. So a lot of my rose products go to some family members, and they're very grateful that I don't like rose because they're enjoying the product so much. Then we have Dr. Brandt Skincare. I did not see this. This is a serum to highlighter, but I know a few of you have had the opportunity in the past to try that product. I have not. And then again, we're seeing at the end here that there's some more of the different serums from Tula Skincare because there were a lot of shades, as well as the YC collection as well. So those are all of the potential products that we could have gotten, but there was so much in the add-ons, and I already did a couple of videos on some spoilers of what is expected to be in the shop, and we saw some of those future items that they said were only going to be in the mega drop shop in that shop video that I did for you guys, that they were already starting to show up, like the Morphe spray and a couple of others that I didn't think we were going to see in add-ons. I thought it was going to be held for the mega drop shop, but they were already available to us here. So I think October is going to be a really exciting month. I know the add-ons were exceptional. It was very hard to resist a lot of products, but it's the beginning of the month, and I want to make sure that with all the deals that are going to be coming, I'm trying my best to budget myself. And I'm sure I'm not alone in this. So there's just so many opportunities to grab onto so many products, and the deals just keep on coming. So Hopefully you guys had a really good choice day. Hopefully you were able to grab a couple of the deals that really were enticing and they were ones that you wanted. If not, like I said, whatever you didn't grab this time around, it looks like we'll be seeing a lot in the future shop, because it was nice to see also some products that were exclusive in the icon box, even in add-ons this time around. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you're enjoying the content, and if you are, please make sure to subscribe and also share on other platforms about my channel. That helps the channel to grow as well, because I solely focus on YouTube and a little bit on Instagram, where it's really just to tell people that I have a video, or if other brands reach out to me that they want to post of their product on my Instagram, I do that for them there without having to do a video over here. Over here, it really is about sharing the information about the brands, the products, and of course the deals. But always enjoy the spoilers for IPSY and the other boxes that I choose to get on this channel. So that's it. So if you've watched this all the way to the end, simply leave in the comments full reveal for October, and I will know that you've watched this video all the way to the end. Everybody, please continue to stay safe and well, and I will see you all soon again in the next video. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.